Welcome to Happy VIAJES, and welcome to Alicante, Spain. Alicante, also known as Alacant in Valencian, is a port city on the southeast coast of Spain. It is the capital of the province of the same name, in the Valencian Community. The history of Alicante dates back more than 7,000 years, with Iberian, Greek, Roman and, of course, Muslim settlements leaving their mark on the city. Alicante was founded as Lucentum by the Romans, meaning City of Light. However, the current name comes from the Arabic Al-Laqant. Over the centuries, Alicante has been an important trading port and a melting pot of cultures, which is reflected in its architecture, traditions and, of course, its varied and delicious cuisine. The city is famous for its warm and sunny climate, with more than 300 days of sunshine a year, making it a perfect destination to enjoy the sea and the beach. Furthermore, its old town, known as the Barrio de Santa Cruz, is full of charm with its cobbled streets, colorful houses, and vibrant nightlife. Alicante is also known for its festivals, such as the Hogueras de San Juan, which attract thousands of visitors every year. In this video, we are going to explore the most famous places in this wonderful area, but first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any trips. And at the end of the video, as always, I'll leave you with the dishes that you must try before you leave. Let's go! 1. Santa Barbara Castle. We start with one of the symbols of Alicante, the Santa Barbara Castle. Located on Mount Benecantal, this fortress offers spectacular views of the city and the coast. The castle, which dates back to the 9th century, has witnessed countless battles and changes of power. Today, it is a perfect place to stroll, enjoy the views and learn about the history of Alicante through its exhibitions and cultural events. 2. Explanada de España. The Explanada de España is one of the most iconic promenades in the city. With its distinctive mosaic floor, made with more than 6 million marble tiles, this promenade is the ideal place for a quiet stroll at sunset. Along the Explanada you will find palm trees, kiosks, and a wide variety of bars and restaurants where you can enjoy a good meal or drink with sea views. 3. Santa Cruz District. The Santa Cruz District, located in the old town of Alicante, is a place full of charm. Its narrow cobbled streets, brightly painted houses and flower-filled balconies create a unique atmosphere. It is a perfect place to get lost, discover hidden corners and enjoy the authentic essence of Alicante. In addition, from here you can access the Santa Cruz Hermitage, from where you can get stunning views of the city. 4. Postiguet Beach. We cannot talk about Alicante without mentioning its beaches, and Postiguet Beach is one of the best known. Located in the heart of the city, this beach with golden sand and crystal clear waters is ideal for enjoying a day of sun and sea. In addition, it has all the necessary services to spend a comfortable and pleasant day, including beach bars where you can try the local cuisine. 5. Alicante Central Market. The Central Market is the perfect place to immerse yourself in the daily life of Alicante and discover the fresh produce of the region. This market, opened in 1921, is a hive of activity where you can find the best quality fruit, vegetables, meat, fish and seafood. In addition, the building itself is an architectural gem of modernist style that is worth visiting. 6. Alicante Archeological Museum. For history lovers, the Alicante Archeological Museum is a must-see. This museum, awarded the Best European Museum Award in 2004, offers a fascinating insight into the history of the province, from prehistory to modern times. The exhibits are beautifully presented and feature numerous archaeological pieces, such as tools, ceramics, and sculptures. 7. Tabarca Island. Just a few kilometers off the coast of Alicante lies Tabarca Island, the only inhabited island in the Valencian Community. This little paradise is ideal for a day trip. You can get there by boat from the port of Alicante and once there, enjoy its crystal clear waters, sandy beaches and rich marine biodiversity. In addition, the old town of the island, with its walls and narrow streets, is a lovely place to explore. 8. Serra Gelada Natural Park. For nature and hiking lovers, the Serra Gelada Natural Park is a spectacular destination. This park, which stretches along the coast between Benidorm and Altea, offers hiking trails with stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the cliffs. One of the most popular routes is the one that leads to the Alvear Lighthouse, from where you get incredible panoramic views. 9. Guadalest. Guadalest is one of the most beautiful villages in Spain and a must-see if you are in Alicante. Located inland, about 30 kilometers from the coast, this small village of Muslim origin is nestled on top of a mountain and offers spectacular views of the valley and the Guadalest Reservoir. Its castle, museums and picturesque streets make Guadalest a perfect place for a day trip. 10. Canelobre Cave. We finish our list with the Canelobre Cave, an impressive cave located in the municipality of Busset, about 24 kilometers from Alicante. Dating back more than 7 million years, this cave is one of the largest in Spain and has an incredible main room that resembles the vault of a cathedral. The stalactite and stalagmite formations are truly impressive, and the guided tour will allow you to learn about the geological history of the cave. And now that we have visited the most impressive places in Alicante and its surroundings, it is time to talk about something that we all love: food. Alicante's gastronomy is rich and varied, and here we leave you a list of 6 typical dishes that you cannot miss when you visit the region. 1. Arroz a banda. This is one of the most emblematic dishes of the province of Alicante. Arroz a banda is cooked with fish broth and served with aioli. The rice absorbs all the flavors of the sea, resulting in a delicious and flavorful dish. It is perfect for fish and seafood lovers. 2. Paella Alicantina. Although paella is originally from Valencia, in Alicante they have their own version. Paella Alicantina is distinguished by its use of local ingredients such as seafood, fresh vegetables, and saffron. It is a dish that you cannot miss if you visit the region. 3. Escarrat. This dish is made up of strips of roasted red pepper, desalted cod, garlic, and olive oil. It is a simple but very tasty salad, ideal to enjoy as a starter or tapa. The contrast of flavors between the pepper and the cod is simply delicious. 4. Caldo con pelotas, beef ball soup. This is a typical Christmas dish in Alicante, but it can be found all year round. It is a stew broth to which pelotas are added, which are large meatballs made of minced meat, bread, pine nuts, and spices. It is a very comforting dish full of flavor. 5. Paracana. Paracana is a traditional recipe consisting of shredded cod, dried peppers, norice, and garlic, all seasoned with olive oil. It is a very typical tapa from the region and is usually accompanied by bread. Its smoky and salty flavor is very characteristic and delicious. 6. Gijona Nougat. And for the final sweet touch, you cannot leave Alicante without trying Gijona Nougat. This famous Christmas sweet is made with almonds, honey and sugar, and has a soft texture and an irresistible flavor. It is one of the most representative products of the province and a real delicacy for those with a sweet tooth. And so our tour concludes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope you've enjoyed exploring this wonderful place as much as I have, from its wonderful locations to its delicious cuisine. What place surprised you the most? What food would you like to try? I'll read you in the comments.